brighter on, because the light is coming from my left. It's coming from the left. It's brighter on the left side of my surface, loses intensity going towards the right. Normally I press a little harder with the light colors and a little bit softer with the dark colors. It's like oil painting. It's thinner. You use thinner paints for the darks and thicker paints for the lights. Sometimes I talk and you don't hear me, but that's okay because I usually talk to myself. I ask myself questions and I try to solve them. Try to solve them. Because I said this is, the middle pair is going to be the focal point, I will try to push this pair back and push this pair back because they're both peripheral. How do I push them back? By cooling them off, by not making them so prominent. But now I'm going to try to punch out the middle pair more. Sharper edges, brighter colors. Form, lights, darks, form. Glazing, look. Color is not as important as value. I could change the colors if I want. The eye seems to accept any color. They will not accept poor value. To see values, you have to squint. You close your eyes halfway and you see the lights and the darks. I think even when you're starting, if this is your first time using pastels, use blocks. Get 2x4s, paint them different colors. Paint them. Look how you have the darkest dark, the lightest light is coming from the top, and you have always 3 values. It gives it form. It's the only way. There's no secrets. We must be very careful with the highlights. I believe you can only put 1 or 2 highlights per piece. Otherwise you get a disease called halitis. You can't put too many highlights. It's confusing to the eye. So now I just want to give it a little bit of spray and they'll do the finishing. And that's just a light spray. What I just did is I just put a very light spray of workable fixative. What it does is it puts the pastel into the paper and it gives me a little bit more texture in the surface. I only do this just a little bit at the end. On the shadows, I like soft edges. Not hard edges on shadows. I like a soft, gentle shadow. edge. I think I'm finished. If I think I'm finished, I sign it. Even your signature is part of the composition. That's it. Thank you very much.